Myself Sumit Loda, again then from Learn with Lodas, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to prepare and file tax audit report under section 44AB. So let's understand what is section 44AB and why one need to file audit report under this particular section. If a person who is carrying on business and whose turnover in the previous year exceeds rupees 1 crore, then he need to get his accounts audited by a chartered accountant and need to file this report under income tax. And if a person who is carrying on a profession and whose gross receipts exceeds rupees 25 lakhs from in the previous year, then he also need to get his accounts audited. Apart from this, persons who are covered under section 44AE, 44BB, 44BB, and I think 44AD, who wants to declare profit lower than the limit prescribed under those sections, then they need to get their accounts audited. And there are two forms, audit form number 3CA and 3CB. Form 3CA is applicable for person who carries on business or profession and whose accounts are required to be audited under any other law also, like in case of company, there is statutory audit also there in Companies Act. In that case, for that particular company, audit form number will be 3CA and statement of particular will always be 3CD. Okay, and in the second situation, where in the case of a person who carries on business profession but not being a person whose accounts are required to be audited under any other law, it is a normal individual. So in that case, the audit form number will be 3CB, but at the same time, the statement of particular will remain 3CD. So I think there are two combinations. For one SSC, it is form number 3CA plus 3CD, and other one is 3CB plus 3CD. Okay, so let's see what are the steps involved while filing and preparing your audit report under section 44AB. First step, downloading e-filing utility from income tax website. Step 2 is filling of data in that particular utility, validation of data and generating XML file. And third one is logging into income tax website and upload the XML file. So here we are. Let's go to Google and ask them how to download first this utility. In this tutorial, we are going to cover the step 1, and step 2 and 3 will cover in another two tutorials. Here we are on the income tax website. You can see over here forms other than ITR. Click on that. It will take you to this window, and here is the common utility. Here is the common utility. You click on E sign here. You click on this utility and it will give you a pop-up. You must have Java runtime environment version 7 update 13. JRE 1.7 is also known as JRE version 7. I already had this system configuration. I click on OK. Its file is getting downloaded. Since I already have this file, so I am cancelling this download once again and going to my downloads. Here we are on my desktop. Here downloads. Here is the file. Forms to. Okay, this is the utility. Click on yes. Yeah, here we need to go. Here is the offline form utility for assessment year 13-14 income tax, and we already downloaded this file, so we will just understand how to start with this before we are going to further for step 2 and step 3. Go to new form and click on form 3CA and 3CD. Presuming that we are filing this 3CD form or we are doing audit of a company, because audit accounts are also required to be audited under Companies Act also. So 3CA will be our appropriate form. It's preparing for form. Please wait. So we'll wait for a few moments. Yeah. This let's go through the instructions very fast. All amounts are in the Indian rupees. Okay, and calendar is provided selecting date DDMM by. Okay, and all grayed out fields are either auto-filled or non-editable, so you need not to file grayed out fields. And you keep on clicking the save the draft button option, because it's a good practice, because if you won't save, your data may be loose. And attachment cannot exceed 50 MB, should be PDF or GIF format. If you wish to attach anything, any file to this utility, then it should not exceed 50 MB file, and it should be PDF or GIF format only. In forms, wherever information captured in table, it's very important. We'll see how to do this. Adding a new row, deleting new row, edit row, copy row. We'll see it's practically how to do this. It's showing click on add button and all these things, but we'll see practically how to do this. And what is saying, enter only value wherever the information needed in percentile. You need not to put percentile sign. Okay. And most important thing, to validate button, these are the validate button, and this is the generate XML. So if first you click on the validate button, and if any validation errors are there, you just clear it off, and after then revalidate it and generate the XML and save the desired path. This XML should be uploaded to this, and acknowledgement will be generated. Okay. Apart from this, there are a few more points to be considered, like this form is applicable, we already know, for who are required under any other law to get their accounts audited. Okay, like companies and all. And please select from the drop down option whichever applicable. We already selected that. While uploading the XML is to be digitally signed. This is most important thing. This XML file is to be digitally signed by a chartered accountant or the persons mentioned over here. And most important thing, I think one most important thing was here. Okay, the person who signs the audit report shall indicate reference of his membership number, certificate number, or practice number. Okay, is entitled to sign it. Now we'll understand how to add or delete rows. Let me see this. Here we are. Nature of business profession. If more than one business profession is carried on during the previous year, nature of every business or profession, then you have to select the manufacturing industry. Okay, I am doing the manufacturing of cement. Then add button. It is already added. I am doing also. I am contractor of what? I am a civil contractor. Edit. After that, if you wish that you are commission agent, or what commission agent, general commission agent, add. Okay. After doing all this, if you feel that commission agent you have selected wrongly, you can delete this row fully like this. And you are a contractor, but a subsector you have chosen wrong. So what you can do, you have to select edit row, and select here. You are the mining contractors. Okay. Click on save. You can save it like this. And apart from this, if you wish to copy the manufacturing industry in cement 103, you wish to copy row, it will cover. There are two rows. Okay, it's already copied. So here is the way you can do all these things. And for let's see to our presentation once again. Yeah. So we already covered the step 1, downloading e-filing utility from income tax website, and in the days to come we will cover the step 2, which is the most important thing, how to fill the data in this utility and validation data and generating XML file. And the step 3 is just to upload that particular XML file. So thank you very much for watching and your patience listening to this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, just come on and subscribe us on YouTube at www.youtube.com/learnwithloda, and you can like us on Facebook as well, www.facebook.com/learnwithloda. You can follow us on Twitter as well. So thank you very much. So bye bye.